Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This is going to be an exciting one.
I think I'm really excited for this. This is the first time we've spent so much on these products and they're not even performance oriented.
Yeah. So we thought we'll do something fun. So today we have spent 40,000 rupees on just products.
40,000! Can you believe it, guys? I mean, I've not done so many mods as much as he's made me spend on these products.
So we tried these products so you don't have to, and we basically bought aftermarket products online and we tried them out and we are really excited for this video.
And the whole concept is a very easy to use DIY kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we're going to be showing how we install them also through the way.
And of course all the links will be down below in the description of the video. This is going to be a 3-part series because we have a lot of products, and of course a special thank you to our sponsor of this whole series, which is Filterworks, and we'll talk about them later in the video.
Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. This is Gautam Heble and I'm Dhruv Shah.
And this is Autofly. See you.
This shit hot, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a 2-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the car.
So guys, we've just got here. We are at Autofly and we have just loaded up the cars right now. And the work has just begun.
So we know it is a DIY video, but we just seeked a little help because we are a little short on time. But we will be showing how the
work is being done.
How the work is being done, so that it is actually easier to manage in DIY.
Yeah. So first we're going to start with the Underglow, which we are actually most excited about.
Very excited, especially with since we've been waiting since a while to do this, and now we're finally being able to do it.
Yeah.
I think it's time to bring back Underglow.
So it's going to be an interesting one. So stay tuned, guys.
Fuck it up. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a 2-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start.
So we're done with about 60% of the work now, but just a run through to what is done so far. For the Underglow, there are 2 main channels, one which runs from the front to the back from the left side and one which runs from the front to the back from the right side. There are 3 strips mainly. One is the front, one is the mid section and one is the back section. Now if you come up close here, so we see there are 2 strips in the front. They were ideally to be kept side to side, but because of the less space, we had to level them together. And it was actually to be installed a little more ahead, but since this car is low, it scratches a lot at the bottom, so we had to take it a little higher. And we had to cut the panel out here and fit it in higher. So that is what is done. And if you see, the fittings are a U-clamp fitting with minor screws. Similarly, they have done for the side of the car, on the side skirts, and the same way they will be doing it at the back.
So the car is looking epic.
It's ready. I'm damn excited to show it. I'm damn excited to show it.
But of course it took a while, and sadly my car has still not been worked on. But of course I'm going to.
We're still going to do it. Yeah. So there's no doubt in that.
Look, after seeing Dhruv's A3 with the Underglow, it's looking
But it's just a teaser, and it's just in daylight. So we're waiting to see it ourselves at night, and we're waiting to show it to all of you all also.
And the reveal will be now.
Okay, wait, hold on. Before we get to the Underglow reveal, let's talk a little about our sponsor.
This video series has been made possible by Filterworks, and they are the official dealers of hi-fi filters in India. Hi-fi filters are widely adopted in the European markets, and they have been manufacturing filters since 1977. And big brands such as Volkswagen and many more use them as OEM spec filters. They are high performance and high quality filters.
This is the carbon activated antibacterial cabin air filters. Now these filters are very good for purifying the air. Now it's not just for your safety but your family's too, and we have installed it in our cars too.
And in case you want to check out their amazing range of products, you can click on the link below in our description and get yourself some amazing Filterwork products.
Now back to the Underglow.
It's a new day and we have come today to do Gautam's car, the Underglow on this car. So what we have thought we'll do is try to replicate what we've done in that car and do similarly in this car. but we weren't really successful because the engine is bigger, the air filter is a little bigger, so we weren't able to find the gap, so we had to come to a mechanic and get it done now. So the process is going on. It's having a little difficulty similar to what we faced, and he's having the same issues, but we did get around it and we're waiting for the final results in a little time.
What's up, guys? So now it's done. It was a long day again because it took some time, so it's not easy to install.
I think
clearly.
the only issue that is happening is the wire routing. That is taking a little more time than expected, but it's totally doable yourself. I don't think it's something that...
If you only stick it with the 3M tape provided, then it's very easy. It's just
it's just sticking it
job,
on.
But now, should we show them how it looks, or should we just do a driving shot?
No.
I think we'll do a driving shot.
Yeah, but
So, let's do some driving shots.
This shit wet. We run it up for sure. Your bitch gon' not know amateur. Run that shit, we at all the show. Say that shit for your camera roll. I did everything for it, so now we pull up with foreign though. Shot the top of the foreign now. We about 2 or 3 foreign ho. Yeah, they calling us overseas. Didn't notice they noticed me. How the fuck am I supposed to see?
so now it's time to get down to the filters.
Overseas, time to take over all of these scenes. Flashy nigga, I got
So it's a very simple process. First we open the glove box, then we pull out the panel on the top left, remove the old filter, and we put the new filter inside. And that's it. I mean, we're done. We just close the panel and back to driving with a fresh new antibacterial cabin filter. In the next episode, join us and see how we do a chrome delete on a budget and also set up some stunning interior lights. And if you liked watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the next one.